Hello everyone, and today we are learning about the water cycle. The water cycle is the path that all water follows as it moves around Earth in different forms. Liquid water is found in oceans, rivers, lakes, and even underground. Solid ice is found in glaciers, snow, and at the North and South Poles. Water vapor is a gas. It's formed in Earth's atmosphere. So, for this project we will be doing, you will need a sandwich-sized Ziploc bag, white paper, well the white paper is mainly for me, food coloring, blue food coloring, a spoon, a black permanent marker, and 1 cup of water. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to draw 2 big clouds at the top of your sandwich bag. Cloud number 1 and cloud number 2. Like this. Next, we need to do our body of water at the bottom here. So I'm just going to do a squiggly line at the bottom. And here's the water. Now I'm going to put the arrows in the direction that we would observe a water cycle. So from the water, I'm going to draw an arrow going up into the clouds, and then an arrow coming back down into the water. Like this. On the bottom where your water is, I am going to write the word collection. Because this is where your water is being collected. And one of the clouds, I am going to write condensation. Like this. The process of when the sun, maybe I should draw a little sun as well here in the corner. When the sun heats up the water from our collection, which can be the river, the pond, or the lake, that causes evaporation. That's when the water is switching forms from liquid into gas. So right here by your arrow, you can write evaporation. Like this. And then lastly, when the water evaporates and the clouds get nice and full, then comes precipitation. And precipitation can be the form of rain or snow. That's when the water comes back down again. Precipitation. Precipitation. So this is the outline of our art project. The next thing we have to do here is, with your cup of water and your blue food coloring, you're going to open and put at least 3 drops of blue food coloring into your water. 1, 2, oh, that was the 3rd one. One more. And with your spoon, you are going to mix the color in so you can have a nice ocean-like, lake-like, pond-like of water. Now, you might need some help here with a parent. You're going to open up your Ziploc bag like this and carefully pour the water inside. Carefully zip or lock the top. You might want to let some of the air out. You're doing a great job. And when you're sure that it is locked at the top, you will hang this by your window like this. You can use tape to tape it by your window, and then you'll be able to watch daily. You can go by your window and watch. The water will evaporate into the clouds, and you can watch it come back down like precipitation. So you have your own water cycle at home. So I hope you enjoyed this project, and have a great day. Bye.